Welcome to my page. My name is Manika Bali, and this is the journal reading. So you think about your person, that if you are in some kind of a relationship, then this reading is for you. You think about whether your partner is going to give you commitment or not. This is a journal reading. For personal reading, you can DM me. ओके मुझे लगता है कि पास्ट में हो सकता है आपके और आपके पार्टनर के बीच में नो कॉन्टैक्ट सिचुएशन हुआ होगा, या फिर आपके पार्टनर बहुत ज़्यादा ओवरबर्डन होंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स होगी होगी रिलेशनशिप में इन द पास्ट, बहुत ज़्यादा you were not ready to give commitment towards each other. There was a lot of misunderstandings, a lot of fights, a lot of chaos in the relationship. But now I feel that your partner is ready to give you the commitment which you wanted. I guess you are back in your power, which I was saying in the last reading also. Your own respect. You have got to know that you need to take the in charge for this relationship to move forward. And this person knows that you are very good at multitasking a lot of things. They've got to understand your true potential and your true respect value right now. So I feel that this person is ready to give you commitment, but I feel there could be some kind of ego clashes would be there from the family perspective. Might be in the family, it's more of a male dominant or male hierarchy based family, where there could be clashes for your relationship, or might be your or his father is not ready for this relationship, which I feel. But I feel that this person is now ready to give you a commitment. Just keep one thing is that keep your egos and your uh, personal issues aside while taking this decision. I feel that this person is ready. This person is ready to communicate with you again, and their action is that a lot of communication is going to take place with this person right now in the upcoming, I'm seeing 8 weeks. And this person, all the justice is going to be get served. All the patience, perseverance which you have showed with this person, you are going to get reward for this. Just you need to balance between your relationship and your family, or between your career or your relationship. A balance is needed. A lot of Libra-based energies are there. All the things which were behind the curtains, or the secrets which were hidden from you, it is now all served on the platter. You know everything about this relationship. This person was also, which he or she was once blindfolded or got in persuasion of the family or friends or relatives. They are now able to see the truth very clearly, and they are ready to take the action towards you. They are ready to give you commitment, which I feel the reconciliation energies are there on the table, where you both are going to reconcile, and a lot of the past trouble and traumas which you had, which you thought that this relationship is over and it's better to move forward from this person, but I feel it's not over yet. A lot of hidden secrets were revealed. A lot of family issues, mother related issues was there. A lot of conceiving was there in this relationship earlier, which I could see. You were so much heartbroken by this person. But I feel now it's the time where this person is going to give all the things which you have wanted from this a stabilized relationship with just commitment based, which is a lot of respect based, which was missing in this relationship. A lot. Just keep your egos aside. Just keep your misunderstanding aside and work as a unit. And this person